Jamaling, Rosmireka Rautre, Pratyush, fine. So moving to the next formula, I just read the formula. So this is the first formula for calculation of mean deviation about mean. For individual series, in case of calculating the mean deviation, that is summation of x minus x bar, and that x and minus x bar in the bracket of proportion divided by n, or you can directly calculate the sum of deviation divided by n. So here d equals to your x minus x bar represent mean. Similarly, if you calculate in case of discrete and continuous series, the mean deviation equals to summation of f into x minus x bar divided by summation of frequencies. Moving to the next calculation or next formula. So here the another formula for calculation of mean deviation about median. So as you know, in case of median, especially reference to your individual series, the mean deviation equals to summation of x minus median divided by n. Or here MD stand for your median. Similarly, if you go to the continuous and discrete series, the mean deviation equals to summation of f into x minus median divided by summation of frequencies. I advise all of you just note down the formula. Is it finished? Okay. Moving to the next ones, we have already finished the mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. The next formula for your mean deviation about mode. So here the formula for individual series. I repeat, for individual series, the mean deviation equals to summation of x minus your mode divided by n for individual series. Here MO stand for mode. And in case of continuous series and discrete series, the mean deviation about mode that equals to summation of f into x minus mode divided by summation of f. So you must put the x minus m0 in proportion, because in case of proportion, you just ignore the plus and positive and negative signs. Shakti Prasad, have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I move to the next one? We have already finished mean, median, mode about. Then the next formula for calculation of coefficient of mean deviation. The first formula, that is coefficient of mean deviation about mean, that equals to mean deviation divided by x bar. Here x bar stand for mean into 100. I repeat here, for the first formula, the x bar represent mean and MD stand for mean deviations. Similarly, if you go to the second formula, coefficient of mean deviation about median, that equals to mean deviation divided by median into 100. Then the last formula, coefficient of mean deviation about mode, that equals to mean deviation divided by mode into 100. I repeat, in the first formula, the x bar represent or x bar stand for mean, MD stand for median, and M0 stand for mode. Shashwati Nayak, how many formula you have written? Saubhagya Lakshmi Singh, how many formula you have written in case of mean deviation?
In mean deviation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, good. Shalini Patra?
Yes, sir.
Sangeet, yes, how many formula you have written in case of calculation of mean deviation?
6.
Okay. Sandeep Parida, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How many formula you have written in case of calculation of mean deviation?
6.
Okay. So next move to solve a particular example belong to this particular method. So here from the following frequency distribution, find the mean deviation from the mean or about the mean and its coefficient. I repeat, from the following distribution, find the mean deviation from the mean or about the mean and its coefficient. And here in the first column, the following marks are given, that is 25, 15, 55, 45, 35, 75, 65, and their respective frequency are given 3, 8, 15, 18, 3, 2, and 1. The first step in case of calculation of median, first you have to calculate that is known as your x bar. So which type of problem is this? Anyone? Is it belong to individual series or discrete series or continuous series? Yes, anyone?
Individual series.
Individual series.
Who told individual series?
Discrete series, sir.
Samir Ranjan Karo, this is not individual series, this is discrete series. I just remind you, for those who told already that this is individual series, in case of individual series, there is no frequencies given. So data represent in case of discrete series and continuous series along with your frequency. But in case of individual series, only the x value is given, no frequency is given. Okay. So this particular problem statement is given in the form of discrete series. Is it clear? So if you go to solve this kind of
Yes, sir.
problem, first make a particular table. Same process in case of your calculation of measurement of central tendency or measurement of different dispersion like range, quartile deviation, standard deviation. In the first column, I have written 25, 15, 55, 45, the respective value as per the given data. And similarly, the respective frequency are given in the second column. Then after we calculate the x into f. In this case, just multiply this one. What is the value? First one?
75.
75.
That is 75. Moving to the next one, 15 into 8.
120.
120. Simultaneously, it is my request to all of you that you must make ready with pen and paper. So this is not a particular theoretical paper. This decision science is a numerical paper. So whenever we solve some problem from your side as well as from my side, you have to note down those things. The next one is 55 into 15. How much?
825.
825, sir.
825.
825. Move to the next one. 45 into 18.
810.
810, sir.
810. Next one is
105.
105. Moving to the next one. 75 into 2.
150.
150.
The next one is 65. Okay. So calculate the sum of f into x. What is the value? Because you need to calculate. Yes, yes.
2150.
2150. Sorry. 2150. Okay. The second step is you have to calculate the x bar or the mean. The formula for x bar, that is summation of fx divided by summation of f. So what is the value of summation of f here?
50.
50. Just calculate 2150 divided by 40. That equals to how much?
43.
That equals to 43. I just write here. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just copy. That is 43. The mean is 43. Is it clear? Mean equals to your 43. That equals to 2150 divided by 50. That equals to 43. You got the value of x bar. Then calculate the next column, that is x minus x bar. That means x is 25 and your x bar is 43. How much?
18.
No, minus 18 should not be considered because you kept inside the proportion. In the proportion, the negative value and positive value should not be considered. That should be ignored. In case of calculation
18.
of mean deviation, that is 18. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, moving to the next one. That is 15 minus 43. How much? X value is 15 minus 43. How much?
Sir, 28.
28.
28. 28.
28.
Moving to the next one. 55 minus 43. How much?
12, sir.
12.
12. Moving to the next one. 45 minus 43. That equals to 2. Similarly, 35 minus 43. How much?
8.
8.
8. Moving to the next one, that is 75 minus 43. How much?
32.
32.
That is 32. And the last one, 65 minus 43. How much?
22.
22.
22. Okay. Then the next step is you have to multiply with frequency. In the next column, you have to multiply the second column into the fourth column. That is frequency given 3 into 18. How much?
54.
54. Moving to the next one, 8 into 28.
224.
2 to 4. Sorry. That is 2 to 4. Next, that is 15 into 12.
180.
180.
180. 15 into 12.
Yes, sir. 180.
180. Right. The next one is 18 into 2.
36.
36.
The next one is 24. The next one is how much?
64.
64. And
22.
the last one is 22. So next, calculate the sum of this particular table. Last table.
604. 604.
604. Okay. So we have the formula for calculation of mean deviation, that is summation of f x minus x bar divided by summation of f. So what is the value? Just calculate. That is 604 divided by 50.
12.08.
12.08. I just write here. MD equals to, just a minute. MD equals to 12.08. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Then after you calculate the coefficient of mean deviations. The formula is already given, that is mean deviation divided by your x bar into 100. How much? What is the value?
28.09.
28.09. Is it clear to all? Let's check who have finished this one. Samir Padi, what is your answer? Okay, Rajesh Patra has done. Raja Mahal. Sambit Sasang Misra, what is your answer for coefficient of mean deviation?
28.09.
Okay. The next is Sangram Kesari Sahu.
28.09, sir.
Okay, good. Sanjay Sahu.
28.09.
Okay, good. So let's solve another example. So here the another example from the following distribution or frequency distribution. Find the mean deviation about median and its coefficient. So which type of data is given in this particular example?
Discrete.
Okay,
Discrete
good.
series.
So these are given in the form of discrete series. Okay. So try to solve this one. Okay, so you made this type of table. For the first column refer to your x and their variables, and second column belong to frequencies, or you can say that is the respective frequencies given. First, you have to calculate the cumulative frequencies. From there, you have to calculate the median value. I repeat, first column belong to x variable and second column belong to frequencies. Then after you proceed to calculate the cumulative frequencies. So what is the value of cumulative frequency for the first row?
So 3.
Then 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 15, 26. 26 plus 18,
44.
44.
40 plus 4 plus 3.
47.
And the next one is 49. And the
50.
last one, 50. Okay. In this case, so what is the value of n here?
50, sir.
50. 50 plus 1 divided by 2. In case of median, that is n plus 1 divided by 2th item. That means which one?
Fourth.
Fourth item.
44.
44 items. Okay. 51 divided by 2, how much? That is? So which one is your median values? Anyone?
Sir, 44.
Sir, third one, 26.
Sir, the third one.
26.
26. 44.
26.
26, sir.
26 is the cumulative frequencies. Okay, try to understand. From that cumulative frequencies, you have to directly check the
55.
corresponding x value. Exactly, 55.
55.
55, sir. 55.
Okay, I just repeat. In case of median, it is your duty. You have to memorize all the formulas. Clear? That is 51 divided by 2. That equals to how much? 25.5. 25.5 are from the chosen value in case of corresponding frequency. That should be lie from 3 to 26. That means the 26 raw represent the median value, that is known as 55. Is it clear to all?
No, sir.
Yes,
Please
sir.
explain once again.
Or it is okay. The 25.5 lie in between 3 to 26. 25.5 कहाँ पे है? From the cumulative column. कहाँ पे आएगा? In that case.
26.
In between 3 to 26, that means that 26 raw should be chosen, and from that raw you have to choose the x variable or value of x should be chosen as median value. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we got the median value, that is known as 55. Just note down the median value. Just a minute, I just write the median value. Just a minute. So here median equals to, that is 50 plus 1 divided by 2, that equals to 25.5. And and from 25 point the reference x value is 55. Then calculate x minus your median. X is given 25 and your median is given 55. What is the value for the first row?
30.
Anyone?
30.
30. The next one
30,
is
40.
40.
40.
next one.
0.
0.
Next
10.
one.
10.
10.
Again, next one.
20.
Next one.
40.
75 minus 55.
20.
20. 20.
20.
20.
And the last one is 10. Clear? Then the next one is just multiply the frequencies, second column and the fourth column. 3 into 30, that equals to 90. Moving to the next one, 8 into 40, that is 320. Next one is 0, this is 180. This one is 60. 3 into 20, this one is 40. And the last one is 10. It's clear to all? So what is the sum of last column?
700.
700.
700.
700. Okay. So we got the value of that is summation of frequencies, that is x minus median divided by frequency. If you calculate the median, in that case, that is 700 divided by sum of frequency is 50. How much?
14.
14.
14, sir.
14 or 40?
14.
14. Then calculate the coefficient of median.
25.45.
5.45.
25.45. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's check who have finished. Okay, Sital Varal, fine. Sania Khatun, Pratyas De, Sambit Shashank Mishra, Priti Ranjan Biswal, Rasmi Hemram, Pratyasha Jana, Pratyush Kumar, Priti Nepali, Shalini Patra, Shailesh Naik, Priti Nanda Sahu, Pratyush Parida, Priti Pragya Nanda, Priyanka Mahanti, Rasmi, Shahbaz Khan, Saraswati Naik, Sangeeta Jan. Okay, move to the next one. Okay, Rajashri, your answer is correct. Fine. There is another example. Same type of problem is given. From the following frequency distribution, find the mean deviation from the mode and its coefficient. So what is the value of mode here? And what type of data is given in this particular series? Anyone? Which type of data is given?
Discrete.
Discrete.
Okay, good. And what is the value of mode here?
45.
Sir, 45.
45.
Why 45?
Sir, frequency is
Highest
the
frequency.
highest frequency.
Exactly, the number of appearance is higher side in case of 45. Is it clear? So in case of 45, the frequency is 18, and this 45 is considered as mode. Clear? So before solving, you have to make this type of table in case of solving, that is mean deviation about mode. The first column x, then second column is frequencies. Then after you proceed to calculate f into x. Then after you proceed to calculate x minus your mode, and finally f into x minus mode. Calculate this one. I just write the frequency, sorry, the value of mode here. Just a minute. Mode is given 45. That was the following data. Calculate. What is the value of mean deviations? Anyone? You just tell the last digit, summation of f into x minus 1. What is the sum? Anyone?
So 2150.
2150. And what is the value of mean deviation? How much?
Sir, 11.2.
You are telling the coefficient of mean deviation, na? Hello.
सर 2150 इतना कैसे हो गया?
सर
Sir,
560
600.
सर इतना कैसे हो गया? 560 हो रहा है.
That is 560.
बाप रे.
560.
सर ये
Yes,
होगा.
sir.
यस सर.
11.2.
11.2.
That is 11.2.
कोएफिशिएंट 24.88.
Coefficient is 24.88.
88.
Okay. So let's
Sir,
solve this one.
सर एक्सेप्ट x into f का कॉलम का जरूरत क्या था?
तो जरूरत नहीं है. These are the basic steps. There is no need of f into x, but these are the steps. Clear? Okay. So let's move into the next one. Is it clear? Let's who have finish. Those who finish, just drop a text on chat box. Okay. Moving to the next one. From the following series relating to the marks secured by 11 students, determine the mean deviation from mean and its coefficient. This is one type of probable questions which is appear in the semester examinations. The old syllabus it was appear. So which type of data is it? Anyone?
Sir, individual
Individual.
series.
Individual
series. This one belongs to your individual series. So what is the value of n here? Anyone?
11.
11, sir.
Exactly, 11 is the value of n, or that is the number of observations. So try to solve this one as per the given formula. First, you have to calculate or make a table. In the first table, you must maintain the x, that is 25, 54, 63, 49, 67, 33, 35, 59, 66, 32, and 38 respectively. So for your convenience, I just made these tables. Then after, in case of second table, you just add, that is x minus x bar. So what is the value of x bar here, or mean value? Anyone? I think if people don't have a laptop, sorry, it is calculator. Keep your calculator for.
47.
Sir, exam रे calculator allowed अछि?
Yes,
Sir,
yes, yes.
47.
I had
Sir,
told
47.
47.
47.
mean is 47. Is it clear? So what is the summation of x here? Anyone?
517.
517.
517.
517 divided by 11. Is it clear? That equals to 47. Then after you calculate the median, sorry, mean deviation. Most of the time I told, in case of your online or in case of your offline examination, this type of scientific calculator is allowed. I repeat. In the previous class and so many times I told, the scientific calculator is allowed in case of your decision science. Clear? Moving to the next one, calculation of median. So what is the value of sum of x minus x bar? Pritam Palay, what is the value of your mean in this particular problem?
Sir, 47.
Okay. And what is the value of mean deviation? Ritika Maharti, 33. Just tell me what is the sum of x minus x bar? What is the value of sum of x minus x? What is the value of sum of x minus x bar?
152.
152 divided by 11. How much? That is 13.81. Is it clear?
13.81.
13.81.
Okay, then calculate the coefficient of mean deviation. That equals to how much? Mean deviation is
29.10.
that is just a minute. 13.81 divided by your mean is 47 into 100.
29.40.
29.40.
Sir, it's coming 29.38.
29.38, हाँ वो 4 नहीं हो गया क्या?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
In bracket, if you got the value 29.38, in bracket I don't approx, that is 29.40. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's check who have finished this particular examples. So Ansu Panda.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rudradas. Okay, Rasmi Parvin, Raja Maling, Ravin Kumar, Sambit Pratyush Kumar, Priti Asopa, Shashwati Naik, Pratyush Parida, Priyanka Mant. Okay, let's move to the next one. Moving to the next type, sorry, just a minute. Okay, so this is another type of problem. From the following series related to the marks scored by students, calculate the mean deviation from median and its coefficient. As I told, this type of data is belong to discrete series where the mark obtained by student is given 60, 61, 62, 63, 65, 70, 75 and 80 and their respective frequencies given 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 3 and 1, 1. Calculate the median first, then after you proceed to calculate that is known as your mean deviation and their relative coefficient. So before solving, first you have to make the in case of x column, in case of frequency column, then after you proceed to draw a cumulative frequency column. Then after you proceed to calculate the x minus median value. Then after you make another one, that is f into x minus median values. So here for this one I draw these tables. So here the marks are given in case of x column, that is 60, 61, 62, 63, 65, 70, 75 and 80 respectively. And their respective frequencies given 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 3, 1, 1. First you have to calculate the cumulative frequencies. Ravin Kumar, what is the last value or what is the value of last drop in case of cumulative frequencies?
Sir, 31.
31 or 21?
31.
31.
31.
Okay, that is 31. Then after we proceed to calculate the x minus median, what is the value of median? Median here? That means 31 plus 1 divided by 2. How much? 16.
Sir, 65.
65 कैसे हुआ रे?
No, 63.
Sir, 63. 63.
Just a minute. I'll just change this one. Okay, in case of median, that is n plus 1 divided by 2 items. N is how much? That is cumulative frequencies. So the sum of frequencies, that is 31. 31 plus 1. 32 divided by 2, that equals to how much?
16.
16. In the cumulative frequency, the 16 is lie in between which area? So 16 represent which value of x?
Sir, 63.
So 65.
63.
65.
65 कैसे represent कर रहा है? 16 तो दिया हुआ
63
है।
sir, 63.
That is 63. Is it clear? 16 दिया गया है ना?
Yes,
How?
sir.
In case of, if you calculate the cumulative frequency, this one is 3, sorry, this one is 4, 4 plus 5, that is 9. 9 plus 7, how much? 16.
16, yes, sir.
In the given table, 16 is always,
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Got it.
okay, and that 16 is directly represent which value of x? That is 63.
63.
Yes, sir.
That is why your median equals to 63. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I just write the median equals to 63. Okay, then after you proceed to calculate x minus median. Just highlight this one. Calculate the value of mean deviation. Sorry, here f is just I forget to write. F is here. F minus, I just change the formula, f minus MD. That is median. Divided by n. So what is the value of median or mean deviation?
2.70.
2.70.
2.70 is the correct. Okay. 2.70 is the correct answer.
The coefficient for
Just a minute. Upper search. Okay, moving to the next one. Calculate the coefficient of mean deviation.
4.30. 4.30.
4.30. This is 2.70. The next one is
4.3.
4.3. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's solve the last type of example from both sides. Here the examples. Before solving that example, you just check who have finished. Sakshi Agarwal, have you finished? What is the value of coefficient of mean deviation?
The 4.3.
So Ambit Pradhan, what is your answer for mean deviation? Okay, 4.3. The next is Rituparna Swai, what is the value for mean deviation? Ritika Manti?
So 4.3.
Okay, good. So this one the last example. In case of continuous series, the data are given in the form of continuous series. From the following series related to the mass required by student, calculate the mean deviation from mean and its coefficient from the given series of data. And in case of series of data, these are formed in case of continuous series of data. That or the grade are start from 0 to 5 and 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, then 20 to 25, 25 to 30, again 30 to 35, and the respective frequency are given, that is 2, 7, 10, 12, 9, 6 and 4. So calculate this one. So before solving, you made this type of tables. You have to calculate the mid value, because in case of continuous series, for calculating the mean, or in case of calculating x minus x bar, you have to calculate the mid values. So what is the mid value for the first row?
2.5.
So 2.5.
2.5, just note down 2.5. For the second row, that is
7.5.
7.5. For the third row, that is 12.5. The next row, that is 17.5. And the next one is 20 plus 25, that is 0.5. And then the next one is 27.5, that is 25 plus 30, that is 27.5. And the last one is 32.5. So what is the value of n here?
So number of
51, sir.
summation of frequency.
51 or 50? What is the value of n here?
Sir, 51.
51 is, sir.
That is 51. Okay. Then after you go for calculation of f into x. Can tell
That
the
is
first
50, not 51.
That is 50, sir.
Yes, sir, 50.
50. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 10, 19. 19 plus 12, how much?
So 31.
31. 31 plus 9, 40.
40.
40 plus 10, that is 50.
Yes, sir.
So who told 51? Hello. Okay, calculate. Then after we proceed to calculate f into x. That is 2.5 into 2. How much?
So 5.
5. The next one is 7 into
7.5.
7.5. That equals to 52.5. 52.5. You can multiply. I have the answer. Okay. At the end, I will show the answer. The next one is 10 into 12.5. How much?
125.
That is 125. Right. Then the fourth row, that is 12 into 17.5.
210.
210.
210. Moving to the next one, 9 into 22.5.
202.5.
202.5. Moving to the next one, that is 6 into your 27.5.
165.
165 is the correct answer. Moving to the last one, 4 into your 32.5.
130.
130.
130. Just go for the summation. What is the answer?
890.
890.
890 is the correct answer. Then after you go for the calculation of mean. What is the formula for mean here? Anyone the formula for calculating mean?
Fx by n.
Summation of fx, that is 890
Sigma
divided by
fx
50.
by sigma f.
13.8.
That is how much?
17.8.
So
That is
17.8.
17.8. I just
Yes,
write
sir.
here 890 divided by how much? 50. That equals to 17.8. Those who would not finish, just check the answer. Okay, I will show the answer. Okay. So here we have calculated the mid value. Then after we calculate f into x for calculating the mean. For mean, the formula is summation of fx divided by n. Here summation of fx is 890 divided by 50, that equals to 17.8. Then after we calculate the mean deviation, that equals to summation of f into x minus x bar divided by n. So here we got the value 318.6. Those who not finished, just note down the summation of last column, that is 318.6 divided by 50, that equals to 6.372. Is it clear to all? Better you calculate your own. Ratikant Karo, what is your answer for mean?
So my answer for mean is 17.8.
Good. Real Chatway? Rasmi Parvin? Rudradas? Have you finished?
Yes, sir, I'm calculating.
Better you calculate your own and compare with my answer.
So 35.79.
35.79. Which one?
Last coefficient.
Coefficient that mean deviation is got 6.37. Is it clear?
Yes.
Divide by your mean. Mean is 17.8 into 100. How much?
So 35.78.
35.78. I just correct this one. I take the extreme
79.
value. 37.
79.
So if you multiply with 100, how much?
Multiple.
So is
0.37.
35.79.
0.37. Is it clear? Hello? Is it clear? Okay, so that's all from my side. Clear?